Hello family, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be installing a lace frontal wig, and I'm going to be showing you the easiest ways and faster means to achieve your frontal. So if you're interested, then keep watching this video to the end, guys, and don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel as well, and turn on your notification bell. So firstly, I went ahead to cut the ear tabs, and I measured the hair and put it where she want her frontal to lay. She have a 4 hairline, and it's easier to lay a 4 hairline, but some people don't like to cover their 4 hairline, so I'm going to be placing it where she want her frontal to be. After I measure it, now I'm gonna go ahead to apply the glue. For the glue, I'm going to be putting it 3 times. So I start with the first application and I let it dry before I put the second and the third. So I'm going to be putting it 3 times, but I'm just gonna be showing you just the first time. And after it's all dry, and then I'm gonna lay my frontal. To my old and new subscribers, thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. You really do help my channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe as well and turn on your notification bell. That way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. And share this video with your friends and family. After I did lay her baby hair down, I went ahead to curl this wig, but my camera didn't record me curling the hair, so I apologize for that. I'm gonna show you how it was looking after curling it. So this is after curling it. I use my hand just to style the hair. I'm going to be using my the big comb to comb it out and do it the way she want her hair to be looking. And this hair did came out so nice, and my client was looking so beautiful with this, guys. If you do enjoy this video, guys, don't forget to comment down on this video to let me know if I did well on this video, and don't forget as well to give me a huge thumbs up. As you already know, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. That way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video and a nice video like this. And share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.